In today's video, I'm going to show you GuardHouse Camera review. Is GuardHouse the best budget security cam of 2025? The GuardHouse camera is often marketed as a plug-and-play, fully wireless security camera that requires no drilling or wiring. It claims 1080p HD video, a wide-angle lens often 150 degrees, night vision capable infrared, motion detection, rechargeable battery power, magnetic mounting, and optional SD card storage rather than mandatory cloud subscription. From this description, at least some of the core design goals, easy install, portability, local storage, are attractive if you want a low cost, simple home security camera without long term fees or complex setup. However, multiple independent user reviews and watchdog style write ups raise serious concerns about both quality and reliability. One hands on review described the camera's actual performance as disappointing. Video often looked blurry even in daylight. The motion detection was erratic, false alarms and missed events. Night vision was grainy, and the app sometimes froze or misbehaved. Some users reported the build felt cheap and plasticky. With the camera so lightweight, it risked falling off a ledge in wind, hardly what you'd expect for serious security hardware. Moreover, critics investigating the brand story behind GuardHouse argue the device appears to be a rebranded version of generic, ultra cheap Wi Fi cameras, sometimes sold for just a few dollars on bargain marketplaces. The website uses urgency driven marketing language, limited stock, today's discount, money back guarantee, which, according to some reviewers, tends to coincide with sites frequently changing names after complaints. As a result, the warranty or guarantee and support backing the camera may be unreliable if problems emerge. In short, GuardHouse isn't obviously a fraudulent no product scam. You'll likely receive a device that records video, powers on, and works at the most basic level. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.